Hey, I'm illustrator filmmaker David Hartman. Thanks for coming back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to draw a monster to take place in a no-holds-barred monster battle. So my pal, Haddy the Creator, if you don't know his work, check it out. It's pretty freaking cool. And he draws monsters, and I find it really inspiring. Haddy reached out to me. We wanted to collaborate on something, and we both came up with this idea to do a monster battle. So we're both going to create a monster that is going to battle for the Monster Championship belt. That's right. So what we're going to do in this video is create our creature to see if it can handle itself in the ring against Haddy's monster. We're going to create that in this video. Haddy's creating his in his video, and then we're going to each do a follow-up video showing our monsters battling it out. And then you guys get to pick who the winner is, which I think will be pretty fun. So let's just jump in and start designing our monster. I know I want him to be kind of humanoid. So let's just get some rough shapes down. Give him werewolf legs so he can jump really far. Maybe those feet will be more like kind of like tripods, so that they can handle his weight. Big, strong back. Then his arms, let's make them really long fingers. I'm going to do this horizontally, give us a little more room. I think I'm gonna make this arm reach out. You need some sort of power source. I think I'm gonna make these like fingers, like electrical. We can have wires coming out of his arms that connect to these giant like Tesla coil battery packs. Turn this layer down. So for the face, it's like a skull. The skull splits open. Then something comes out. And then some Lovecraftian Cthulhu tentacles come out. And in the middle is an eyeball, so it can see you. So it's almost like it uses the skull as a distraction, and then it splits open, and this eyeball can see everything, and these tentacles can reach out and grab onto your face. So I think we got our guy. So I'm just going to label some of these things we talked about. Werewolf legs, tripod feet, electrified fingers, break apart face, the battery pack. All right, I think we got our guy. So now we're going to just finish this guy up. So I'm going to go to a time lapse. You can watch the finished inks and color on this guy, and then we'll reveal him after that. that is our creature. I have no idea what his name's gonna be. So let's just make up 3 choices now, and then you guys can pick which one's your favorite. Like Harold the Annihilator, that sounds pretty good. The Apoca Monster, that's okay, right? Like Apocalypse, I don't know. That's stupid. And the Corpse Eater Mega Deluxe. He's like a normal corpse eater, but he's just that more of a corpse eater. So in our next video, we're going to get our reaction to Haddy's creation. If you remember, I have not seen what he's done. He hasn't seen what I've done. And then we're going to draw our creature battling the other guys. And at the end of that, you can pick who the winner is. We haven't figured out how we're going to do that yet, but stay tuned. I'm sure we'll figure it out. All right, thanks. And we will see you guys later.
Let's talk more draw.